How to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. If you are looking how you can do that, just follow these simple steps. First thing first, open up your Binance account and make sure that you are logged in. Then, the next step is to actually tap on the Binance logo that you see on the top left corner. Once you get here, you'll be shown your profile, and right below that, you have your shortcuts and the recommended functions. Tap on more services that you see below. And under trade, you are going to have to go ahead and tap on gifts and campaign. And under trade, you have the option called convert. Tap on convert. By default, it should be some other crypto. So if you want to change this to USDT to USDC to USDT, first thing to do is tap on from and then select USDC there. And right below that, you're going to have to select USDT. Now just enter the amount that you want to convert and it will show you the corresponding amount of the other crypto. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll catch you on the next video.